Hi everyone, my name is Akshay. In this video, we see about a formula of centroid. Formula of centroid. All the sections of the solids and shapes, its area, its distance, x and y values for the values while solving the problems. This formula is very useful. So let's one by one we will discuss about a formula of centroid. First we find the rectangular square of area will be the a into b, and here will be the a will be the length, b with the height. Okay, rectangular square of the width will be the a, height will be the b, so area will be the a into b, x distance will be the a by 2, y distance will be the b by 2. Okay, that is the formula of the centroid. Then find the right angle triangle, while the width will be the b, height will be the h, of area will be the 1 by 2 b into h, x distance will be b by 3, y distance will be the h by 3. While solving the problem, this formula is very useful. Third will be the quarter circle. That is the formula of area will be the pi r square by 4. X and y distance of the quarter circle will be the 4r by 3 pi. Okay. Fourth one will be the semicircle. Semicircle of the area r will be the radius of the semicircle. Of area will be the pi r square by 2. X distance will be the r, and y distance will be the 4r by 3 pi. Okay. Fourth one will be the triangular area. Triangular area of the height will be the h, and distance will be the a and b. Of area will be the b into h by 2. Of triangle, any triangle of the area will be the b h by 2. X distance will be the a plus b by 3. X distance will be the a plus b by 3. Y distance will be the h by 3. Here will be the see the figure, we can be find the a and b. Okay, then circular sector of the area will be the r square by alpha. Alpha will be the angle of the x from the distance x, and r will be the radius of the arc. Okay, then x distance will be the 2r sin alpha by 3 alpha. Okay, y distance will be the 0, always 0 for the centroid. Okay, trapezoidal area of a with the height, b with the small height, and l with the length. Of the area will be the a plus b into l by 2. Okay, and x and y distance will be the common, that is l of a plus 2b upon 3a plus b, and highest distance will be the a square plus a into b plus b square upon 3 of a plus b. That is all formula of centroid while solving the problems. That is very important for the all the sections of the solids. Okay,